Regular cleaning of the filters helps to maintain the suction and pickup performance you expect from the Beldray Airapid Cordless. Firstly, ensure that you have unplugged the unit from the charging adapter and that the unit is switched off. Next, empty the dust container over a bin by pressing the release latch. Then, remove the washable filter by rotating the filter cone and gently pull the washable filter out. Gently tap the washable filter and filter cone to remove dust and debris that has built up. Rinse the washable filter and filter cone under the tap for a couple of minutes and leave until completely dry. Once dry, replace the washable filter and filter cone by aligning the indents and then rotating to the lock position to secure before reclosing the dust container. Never use your vacuum cleaner without filters in place. As well as regularly cleaning the filter, we also advise that you check for blockages in the air inlet and floor brush. Always ensure that your floor brush and brush bar are clean. By following these simple steps regularly, you will maintain a high level of pickup performance and prolong the life of your vacuum cleaner.